Hello guys, thank you for stopping by to watch my video again. Today I will show you how I made this tasty chicken breast. We all know how thick chicken breast can be, so it's extremely important it is properly seasoned and marinated. So for today's video I'm going to be using 3 main herbs. I'm going to be using the parsley leaves, the oregano and the rosemary, so keep watching. So I'm going to start by chopping up my parsley leaf. I'm going to place the chicken breast on a clean film and cover it. Then I'm going to use a meat tenderizer to make the chicken breast flat. You can also use a bottle if you don't have a tenderizer. Now I'm going to introduce the oil and herbal mixture to the chicken breast. I'm also going to be adding all the spices at once. You don't want to miss this, guys. After I give it a good mix, I'm going to add my rosemary leaf and let it marinate for about 1 hour. In a preheated oven, put in your chicken breast and leave it to grill for about 35 minutes and your chicken breast is ready. Guys, this chicken breast was so yummy and tasty. I'm just going to go ahead and remove the rosemary leaves. This is also how I got the chicken broth I used for my rasta pasta in my previous video. I'm going to put a link in the description box below on how I made the rasta pasta. So if you've not watched it, please go and make sure you watch it. Thank you for watching my video. See you in my next video. Bye.